It's not just a rug. It's a story woven into every thread. Maybe it came from your grandmother's house, or maybe you picked it up in a market overseas, believing it would live forever. But look closer now. The colors are fading, the pattern's losing shape. And that musty smell? Something's not right. What happened to your beautiful Oriental rug? Before we dive into this mystery, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Because this isn't just about cleaning a rug, it's about saving a piece of your history. Chapter 1. The Forgotten Art Beneath Our Feet. Most people walk on rugs. But Oriental rugs? They're not meant to be walked on. They're meant to be honored. Hand-knotted, dyed with natural pigments, woven by artisans whose skill comes from generations of tradition. But over time, something happens. The patterns that once told stories begin to blur. The softness hardens, the fringe frays, and without even noticing, that vibrant masterpiece becomes just another carpet. But why does this happen? Chapter 2. The Invisible Enemies Living in Your Rug. Let me ask you, when was the last time you looked under your rug? Because deep inside those fibers, dust, allergens, pet hair, and even insects can settle in, burrowing themselves between the threads. Unlike synthetic carpets, Oriental rugs breathe. And that breath? It collects the air around it, good and bad. And here's the worst part. Vacuuming won't solve it. In fact, you might be making it worse. Chapter 3. The mistakes that ruin Oriental rugs. Vacuuming with a beater bar? That's like combing ancient silk with a wire brush. Using chemical sprays? You're washing away centuries of natural dye. Even hanging it in direct sunlight to air it out? You're slowly bleaching away its soul. And maybe you didn't know. Maybe you thought cleaning it like a regular rug was fine. But Oriental rugs are living art. You wouldn't scrub the Mona Lisa, would you? Chapter 4. Step by step, how to clean your Oriental rug the right way. Alright, now let's fix this. Step 1. Shake the story loose. Take your rug outside on a dry, sunny day, but avoid direct sunlight. Gently shake it or beat the back with a broom handle. You'll be shocked at what comes out. Dust that's been trapped for years. Step 2. Vacuum, carefully. Use suction only. No brushes, no rollers. Vacuum the back first to lift hidden dirt, then the front with a light hand. If the rug is fragile, place mesh or cheesecloth over it before vacuuming. Step 3. Spot cleaning. Got stains? Blot. Never rub. Use a solution of water and white vinegar in equal parts. Dip a white cloth into it, so colors don't bleed. Dab gently on the spot, then blot dry with another towel. Step 4. Deep clean, but only when needed. Mix mild dish soap with cold water. With a soft sponge, gently clean in the direction of the weave. Rinse with clean water and blot dry. Always test on a corner first. Step 5. Dry with care. Never hang it dripping. Lay it flat with towels underneath. Change towels as needed. Let it dry naturally in a shaded, ventilated place. Never in harsh sun. Chapter 7. Why this matters more than you think. Let me tell you a story. In Istanbul, a family once cleaned a century-old rug before their daughter's wedding. The grandfather said, "This rug has seen 5 generations take their first steps." That's the kind of memory no vacuum can replace. Maybe your rug doesn't come from Turkey or Iran. Maybe it's not centuries old. But maybe it reminds you of home, of your parents, of the first home you built. That's what you're protecting. Chapter 8. Bringing the past back to life. So if you're holding on to that rug thinking, it's too far gone, stop. It's not. It just needs your attention. A gentle touch. A slow hand. And now, you know exactly what to do. Like this video if this story helped you see your rug in a new light. Subscribe to The Big Sweep for more content that's not just helpful, but personal. Because here, we don't just clean things, we honor them. Then, don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. And as a bonus, You'll also get access to our free community made for women.